Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. These are the AWP Non-Marring Knee Pads, designed for contractors, DIYers, and anyone who needs extra knee protection during long projects. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with cushioning. These use heavy-duty foam padding that provides support during long periods on carpet, tile, subflooring, and other hard surfaces. They're much better than basic knee sleeves or thin foam pads, especially for projects that keep you on the ground for extended periods. The non-marring caps are another plus. They won't scratch tile, vinyl, or hardwood, which makes them suitable for flooring installs or finishing work where surface protection matters. Comfort is solid thanks to the breathable air mesh interior. It helps reduce heat buildup, and combined with the wide elastic straps, they stay comfortable for long sessions. The tri-buckle system makes them easy to put on and take off, and the hardware feels sturdy with reinforced stitching throughout. Now for the downsides. Since these use foam instead of gel, they're more supportive than plush. If you're looking for extremely soft gel-style cushioning, these may feel a bit firm. Also, the elastic straps can loosen slightly over time if you use them daily for heavy contracting work. So, are they worth it? If you need durable knee pads for flooring jobs, construction, landscaping, or DIY projects, and you want something that won't damage the surface you're working on, the AWP Non-Marring Knee Pads are a dependable and affordable choice. Just keep in mind they're designed more for stability and durability than soft gel comfort. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.